This was definitely a full home renovation, but we never really expected the result to be as good as it turned out. We saw the designs, it all looked good, but if you saw the before and after pictures, you wouldn't even believe it's the same place. So I mean, this house was built in the 1920s, so it was a very nice house, had good visual structure, but was very old inside. Floorboards were old, drywall was old. We also had, on the 2 floors that we were renovating, we had only 1 bathroom. So that was a big challenge for us. So we wanted to renovate not only the current bathroom, put in some new bathrooms as well. We had to, knock down a few walls, and we had some challenges over there, but we got a really good design of what we wanted to do. And it was a pretty extensive renovation to get to where we wanted to go. Working with Level Up Group was great from start to finish. We first spoke with Michael from Level Up Group just to understand the company, understand the process. We've never gone through a sort of a renovation before, never gone through a big renovation before like this. So we just wanted to understand what the process was, the type of cost that we would incur. But I think initially we started off with a design phase, and he introduced us to the Level Up Group designer, which was super helpful in kind of picturing and drawing out our vision and what we wanted. And I think they did that really well. They ensured everything was blocked off and cleaned, and they taped up, all the areas where we could get dust, and sectioned off the houses, that section of the house where they were going to do some construction, so we can still live semi-comfortably. And Level Up Group and Michael was really clear in what that process would entail, each step of the construction process and what they do, and the timeline. That was really important to us. We still have to look back at some of the older pictures that we have of when we started the demo, and to what we created here with Level Up Group was amazing. I would definitely recommend Level Up Group for full home renovation. Very happy with their work, and we'll definitely refer them in the future.